In this video, we'll look at applying title blocks using the traditional method, which is direct insertion of the title block into the drawing itself. Having completed a drawing, the final thing I might want to do is add the title block. So you can do this in two ways. Either go to the drawing menu and choose title block, or use the keyboard shortcut Control and T. This brings up the title block dialog, and here you can choose the page size and orientation for the title block template you want to apply. In this dialog, you'll also enter information about the drawing itself, being the title, who it's drawn by, what it's issued for, the drawing number, and the revision. Click on OK, and the title block sizes itself to fit the drawing. If later you need to change that title block, you can simply reinsert it. In this case, I'll choose a different template. We'll choose D-size landscape and change it to revision D. That takes the old title block away, inserts the new one, and inputs the live information about the drawing. Using this method, you can also select the title block and add new information in the property grid. Let's say we change the drawing number to ABC002, and it's now issued for construction. And by entering that data, the live title block is updated. If you want to use a different title block template, again, bring up the dialog and use the ellipsis button with the 3 dots on it to navigate to an alternative title block template. By default, your templates are stored in the installation folder for Stardraw Design 7.4, which is C, Program Files, stardraw.com Limited, Stardraw Design 7.4, and here you'll find 2 SO7 files which are your templates. If I wanted to use the metric template with ISO paper sizes, I would choose that one, and then I could, for example, choose an A2 landscape title block and insert that. Slightly different proportions. With the traditional method of using title blocks, an alternative approach is to begin your drawing with the title block. So start a new drawing and immediately choose which title block you want to use. This inserts the title block at a 1:1 scale, and then when we add symbols into the drawing, they will be at a 1:1 scale, and that ensures legibility of the completed drawing. If you found this video useful, please click like to allow others to appreciate it, and subscribe to be notified about new videos in the future. Thanks for watching.